Keep going. Towards me. There we go. Go. Oh, it won't close. And now
You bought your reciprocating saw because it cuts just about anything, but cutting's all it does. Unless you have Spyder's reciprocating saw accessories. Spyder puts the power of your Recip saw to work on your toughest jobs, like remodeling a bathroom. The Spyder grout out with its tough carbide grit edge gives you the strength to remove the grout between tiles. Switch to the scraper to quickly remove tiles, and even the stubborn glues and epoxies they leave behind. When you need to cut, there's the innovative Spyder bore blade. It's a two-edged blade, and both edges are made of bimetal steel, so it cuts almost anything. The rounded nose plunges in, and the blade cuts down or up with ease. And Spyder gives you the power for tough outdoor jobs too. The wire brush has durable steel bristles, perfect for taking off damaged paint, grime, rust. And you can use the corner sanding pad to quickly clean up areas where a typical sander just won't work. Best of all, Spyder blades have a standard half-inch shank, so they fit any reciprocating saw. Buy your Spyder reciprocating saw accessories that include the scraper, grout out, bore blade, wire brush, and corner sanding pad. Spyder gives you the power to get jobs done, no matter how tough. To clean up car parts, grab the wire brush for its stiff bristle action. And for those big sanding jobs, Spyder gives you far more power than your typical sander. Scraping can be miserable, but it goes much faster with the Spyder scraper. And no matter what you're cutting, the Spyder bore blade with bimetal steel and 3-way cutting will get it done. Spyder, tools you'll love for the jobs you don't.
Introducing from Diablo, the industry's first ever carbide-tipped Recip blade, specifically designed for extreme metal cutting. From mild steel pipe to angle iron and thick steel plate, what used to be a major challenge for Recip blades is now fast and effortless. And for tougher steel alloys such as hardened grade 8 bolts, stainless steels, and even cast iron, what used to be an unthinkable application is now possible with Diablo's new carbide-tipped metal cutting Recip blade. The extreme life and durability of this blade is made possible by Diablo's specially formulated carbide teeth, attached with an enhanced bonding process for extreme impact resistance. And each blade utilizes a 1-inch oversized blade body for straighter cuts with less vibration. This blade redefined metal cutting for Recip, but it also delivers up to 50 times longer cutting life than steel cutting bimetal blades.
Power tools were invented to make our life easier, right? Well, Milwaukee know if you have the correct tool and accessory for the job, life doesn't get any easier than that. Combine a Milwaukee's flagship Sawzall with a scraper blade with a universal reception and you get productivity. Whether it's paint, glue or lino that needs to be removed, the Milwaukee scraper blade takes the hard work and the skin knuckles out of the job. Available in 37mm and 75mm, life just got a little easier thanks to Milwaukee's thirst for innovation and finding solutions to suit every trade. Available at your power tool specialist.
As a leader in saw blade design and innovation, Lenox has delivered expert cutting solutions since 1915. Lenox first introduced bimetal reciprocating saw blades in 1977 and again revolutionized the industry in 2004 with high-performance coatings. That tradition continues today with another major breakthrough in saw blade design. Lenox Gold Power Arc Curved Saw Blades. Power Arc curved blades deliver up to 2 times longer life versus traditional straight Lenox saw blades.
With all the cutting I do, this blade's gonna last twice as long as any other blade I've had.
The aggressive Power Arc blade design optimizes the blade's angle of attack for faster cutting through a wide array of materials. Lenox Power Arc curved blades are available in a variety of specifications, designed for wood and metal cutting, as well as demolition and extreme heavy metal cutting applications. Lenox T2 technology and precision-applied titanium coating makes these blades last longer by dissipating heat. The coating also makes teeth more wear-resistant, so they stay sharper for quicker cuts. Compare the Lenox Power Arc curved blade with what you've been using. You'll feel the difference from the very first cut.
The curve and the coating on this blade makes it stay sharper much longer.
For faster cutting and longer lasting blades, Lenox Gold Power Arc curved blades deliver.